Hey crew, today's video will be oven baked candy yams. And here are the ingredients we'll be using: orange juice, salt, cinnamon sugar, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, vanilla extract, and butter extract, along with sugar and brown sugar. And we also using 3 sweet potatoes. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the video. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, I'm just showing y'all our sweet potatoes. We have 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and 1 small one. And I'm just giving y'all a good look at them. I'm going to peel them, then I'm going to cut them. Alright crew, so I got my sweet potatoes peeled. And I'm just going to give them a nice rough chop. But I'm not going to cut them too big, because I want to slow down the cooking process. So here y'all will see that it's probably like a 1/4 of an inch cut, and then I'm gonna turn around and break them down in half. That way it will lessen the cooking time on our sweet potatoes. And hey, we all know sweet potatoes are pretty hard to cut, so I was taking my time and being careful to make sure I don't cut myself. But yes, that knife is really sharp. It's just those sweet potatoes are super hard. So I'm just gonna put my sweet potatoes in this pan. Then I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of how I broke them down even smaller. Like I said earlier, cutting them smaller give you a shorter cooking time. And here's that close-up on those. I used 2/3 of a cup of white sugar, and I use 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of regular salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon sugar. And if you don't have cinnamon sugar, you can use regular cinnamon. We're going to use 6 tablespoons of melted butter. A 1/2 cup of orange juice. And y'all might think this weird, but it's really good. You gotta try it. 1 tablespoon and a half of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of butter extract. So here's a close-up of our glaze for our candied yams. And I just want to get this mixed up really well to make sure that all the spices and everything is combined together. So here's that famous close-up of our sauce. And when I tell y'all crew, it was really good. Like, you can't taste the orange juice, but that tang from the orange juice just does something to the sweet potatoes. They was really good. And here I am, I'm about to pour the sauce over the sweet potatoes. Just like fate without no warning. It hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so I wanted to make sure that I got every bit of our glaze out of that bowl. This glaze is beyond amazing. Alright crew, so here's that famous close-up. Oh yeah, they turned out wonderful along with the glaze. And I put these in the oven at 350 degrees. I baked them for 30 minutes. Then once 30 minutes was up, I basted them with the sauce and I put them back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. So the whole cooking process took 45 minutes for our yams. So once again, 350 degrees, 30 minutes, baste them with the sauce, then bake them another 15 to 20 minutes or until they're tender enough to your liking. Alright crew, our oven baked candied yams is ready. And look at the glaze. They shining bright like a diamond. And when I tell y'all, the flavors was on point. They was tasting better than sweet potato pie. But not better than my queen sweet potato pie. But it was really good. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Hey, and if you're making yams, give it a try. I promise you will not regret it. Look how tender those sweet potatoes was. Our oven baked candied yams came out wonderful. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Pops out. Peace.